Hello friends, this is Anuj Antony, you are 15 CS170. So today I have to do my ninth video of C++, that is front function. So this is my first question. So this I have to create a class named distance with its data members feet and inches. So the one constructor should be unless it has 0 and another should be to a fixed value. So in this I have to do operator overloading, that is operator overload plus with the help of the front function. So now we can see the program. So in this program, I'm using a header file as iostream and using namespace std, which is a standard library function, and I'm having a class called distance as dist. And inside this, I am declaring some variables like feet and inches of int type. So inside the public, I'm calling a constructor as dist, and I'm analyzing the value of feet and inches both as equal to 0. So again, I'm calling a constructor with the parameters, some parameter like int f and int I. So it will show feet is equal to f and inches is equal to I. So for the display, it will just display feet and inches as that. So the front function, what the front function? The front function is always declared outside. That is why I'm declaring outside, but it will be accessible to all the private and the public sector. So that is giving a front function outside. So front dist operator plus and some variable like dist a and dist b. So for this, for calculating purpose, for operator overloading operator plus, I have some variable like dist a and dist b. So the feet can be calculated by a dot feet plus b dot feet, and inches can be calculated as a dot inches plus b dot inches. So it will return the value of the c. In the main part, I just have some variable as some value for p is equal to 5 and 9, and for q is equal to 6 and 3. So for the r, it will be calculated as p plus q. We have to add this. So to just then r dot display, it will just display the output. The output should be like 5 plus 6 and feet and inches will be equal to 9 plus 3. So now we can see the output. So the feet is equal to 11 and inches is equal to 12. So that means 5 plus 6 is 11 and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So this was my first program. Now I will move to the second program. So in second program, I have to create a class named time with its data members hours, minute, and seconds. So the first one constructor I should initialize to 0 and another should to a fixed value. So in this also I have to use a overload plus with the front function. Now we can see the program. In this program, I use a header file iostream and using namespace std, which is the standard library function. I am creating a class called time. So inside this class, I am declaring some variable like hour, minute, second, and inside the public, I am calling a constructor as time, and I am initializing all the hour, minute, seconds as 0. So again, I am calling a constructor with some variable, that is overloaded constructor like int hr, int m1 and int sec. So I am initialize the hour as hr and minute is equal to min1 and second is equal to sec. So I'm declaring outside the front function, the front O stream I'm using this time ampersand operator, or the O stream ampersand output and time ampersand t. So I'm using O stream, that is I'm using output like this, output slash. So to just print the hour, minute and second as hour slash minute slash second, and it will return the output value. So as you can see, front is declared outside everything. So the front time operator, that operator overloading operator plus, and this thing time and time. So this thing is for the calculating purpose, that's time operator plus, and for time t1 and time t2. So the hour can be calculated by t1 dot hour plus t2 dot hour, and the minute can be calculated by t1 dot minute plus t2 dot minute, and for the seconds can be calculated by t1 dot second plus t2 dot second, and it will return the value of the temp. So inside the main, I just given the value for t1 is 21520 and for t2 12234, and t3 will be calculated by t1 plus t2, and it will print the output. So now we can see the output. So as you can see, hour is equal to 3, minute is equal to 37, and second is equal to 54. So to just print 2 plus 1, that is 3, 15 plus 22, that is 37, and 20 plus 34, that is 54. It we just add. So the final output is 3 hour 37 minutes 54 seconds. So that was the end of the second program. Thank you for watching this video.